Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at Laserlines. In today's video we're going to introduce you to the Stratasys J850 Prime, which is one of the most impressive 3D printers available in the market. The J850 Prime sits at the top of the range of Stratasys Polyjet 3D printers. They are suitable for smooth and accurate parts, prototyping and tooling. Using Polyjet technology is very similar to your inkjet printers. Instead of jetting droplets of ink onto a paper, the Polyjet technology jets curable photopolymers onto a build platform, creating a 3D printed part. The J850 head moves along the X and Y axis, jetting material and support material onto the build platform. Once the droplets are placed in the desired location, a UV lamp cures the photopolymer resin. As the first layer has been completed, the build platform would go down on the Z-axis, allowing for the next layer to be printing, thus producing a 3D printed part. Now that we have a brief introduction of the J850, let's put it to use and show you the workflow process of how easy it is to print with J850. So we picked quite a good variety of parts. The file has been imported into GrabCAD. So we want to demonstrate how you can set one of the Pantone colors. We open the model setting. Where it says Pantone, you fill in the code. Pick the desired code and you can see the highlighted areas of your part would turn into that color. Once all that is set, make sure the tray is all in place, there's no overlapping. And now we're ready to go and press print. Okay, so the parts are set up in GrabCAD. What we're going to do now is start the printing process. So let's have a look at the materials cabinet, make sure everything is in place. As you can see, J850 Prime can jet 7 materials at once and 1 support material. There are 2 cartridges of each material because it does a hot swap, so when your first cartridge is finished, it would move up into the second cartridge. It's very easy to replace cartridges. You just slide it out and push it back in. For the purpose of this video, we've chosen the waterjet support material, which can just be removed by the waterjet machine. Okay, so the cartridge size is about 4 kilos, which is slightly larger compared to its predecessors. So let's close the door now. It also comes with a workstation and a computer. So the computer is touchscreen, there's no need for any keyboard or any mouse. So let's go to the printer, open the lid and make sure everything is set to start printing. The build platform for the J850 Prime is 490 by 390 by 200 millimeters. It can print layers as low as 14 microns or as high as 55 microns. So let's start printing. The interface is now open. You can see all the materials. Underneath each material, you can see exactly what's the quantity remaining within the cartridge. So our part is now being sent. All we have to do is press this and it's ready to print. Now that our parts have finished printed, let's go and remove it from the build platform. Okay, the parts have gone through the post-processing steps. All the support has now been removed. The J850 Prime offers a wide range of materials available, starting from rigid to flexible, opaque to transparent, simulated polypropylene, and even digital ABS, which offers a wide range of solutions. Each material answers different needs and it's suitable for new and diverse applications. For example, we have draft gray, which is ideal for concept modeling and design verification of parts. This material prints 4 times faster in super high speed mode. The Vero family of opaque materials, including neutral shades and vibrant Vero vivid colors, they are suitable for various design applications like consumer products, packaging development, consumer electronics, medical devices, commercial products, and even car interiors. Another material is Agilus 30, which is a flexible photopolymer. It has superior tear resistance, capable of withstanding repeated flexible and bending. It can be produced in various Shore harnesses from Shore 827 to Shore 895. Digital ABS Plus is a tough photopolymer, temperature-resistant material, ideal for functional testing and demanding application. Vero Ultra Clear and Vero Clear are ideal for printing high clarity and fine details models, similar in appearance to acrylic and glass. J850 Prime is such a great printer, offering endless possibilities and design freedom with over 500,000 different colors, and it's also Pantone validated, where you can choose a specific Pantone code in GrabCAD and allocate it to the desired section of your part. This ensures the color chosen in the design stage will be the same as the one used in production. Not only there's a wide variety of colors available, but you can also print different textures such as leather, wood, stone, and fabric, enabling even more applications. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to explore the different applications available on the J850 Prime, please get in touch with us and we'll walk you through the process. Thank you.